Welcome to the Paul Hands Junior Academy of Photography. Ideal for kids aged 11 to 18 years of age. When your child joins the Academy, I'll teach them all they need to know about photography. How to use the camera, in manual mode, how to set it up, how to change the focus points, how to use a light meter, seeing, reading and measuring the light within a scene, designing professional compositions. I'll also give them guidance in various genres of photography like landscape photography, urban photography, street photography, astro landscape photography.
I find it quite funny because you get to see things that you wouldn't normally pay attention to. It's a good way to experience new things.
You shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
What are you learning on your new photography course?
How to take photos and operate with a camera, and how to edit the photos.
Cut me down, but it's you